Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing. You guys can check them out. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. And my affiliate link will be down below. Click on that to see what other goodies they have to offer besides this thing right here. Coming from Ecoviva. La Raza. This is going to be a countertop RO reverse osmosis system. 0.0001 filtration. 25-to-1 pure to drain. Easy peasy. Okay, next we're gonna open it up and take a look and then put it together. Coming up. Alrighty guys, we got the manual out. So definitely got some reading to do. Oh yeah, good amount. There's a little QR you could scan and win a free supply of something. The pump, the stuff you need. And here we go. We got some stuff to do. Oh yeah, bunch of everything. Little tape there, nuts and bolts. This might be a while. And we got this satchel. I have no idea what's inside. Okay. Oh, it's hoses. Or the squirter. Filtered and filtered. That's there. So I get everything here. I'm no expert at this, but we'll get it together. There's a drilling hole sticker for a hole. That's for this part. Right there. So we got that all situated. And now let me show you the machine. Okay, here we go. Very nice. Yeah. Oh, you can. There you go. RO1 and 2. Here's 1. There's number 2. PCT. I'm not sure exactly what that means. I had to look that up. There we go. These are nice and already put in. Now here is the back. Here we go. Drain RO filtered input. Here is a smart faucet, power, and all that good stuff. And inside this box should be the power adapter. Oh yeah, it's like an Xbox power adapter. Let me untangle this out. Get it rolling. Make sure this plug it in first before you install, test it out. I mean, not fully test it out, but at least make sure the device is working, Because you never know sometimes. But I would just test it out doing that way, just plug it in, see if it lights up. If it does, you may begin installing, like I'm going to do. It's easier, but at least before you make a mess everywhere, especially in the sink. You're gonna need your sink, so I would just take it easy and install it that way. I got one more twist tie to go and we shall be done. But yeah, definitely thanks Ecoviva for sending me this. It's very nice of you guys. And now I got to put in the work. Okay, plug it in. Hopefully it's not too loud. I'm not sure if it's going to be loud or quiet. We'll find out. Alright, we are live. I don't know if you guys can hear it. where you can see it. RO. So everything works, guys. Step 1 is complete. You always hit the flusher. And there's the tray. So there you have it. Be back in a jiffy. Alright guys, here we go underneath the sink. I'm going to show you the blue wire right here. It's all hooked up. Now we got this thing. We're going to plug it into the Ecoviva unit. Drill the hole right here. This took a little bit of time to do, but I was in no rush, so I wanted to make sure it was done right, so everything works perfectly. And this thing is really good, guys. Really impressed with this RO system. I had a couple years ago, but definitely this one takes a cake. Here we go. And we got the little rubber stopper right there. Make sure it's in like that. Everything looks good. We got the wire hooked up. Now remember those little things? We're going to need that in a second. Hook that underneath the bottom and we'll connect it. But this thing is super sweet, guys. So you make sure you line it up. That's how you line it up. And everything matches perfectly. So there is Ecoviva. It's super quiet. It's not that loud. So you can have it installed anywhere in your house. Your animals won't get mad about it. And then there's a power unit that's already hooked up. And then here we go. Watch this. Magic. And right now. And look at that. I got an LED light. Lights up. There's water. Nice and smooth. Super clean water. Freshening. You name it. This is one. Composite filter. 1 year. RO 2 year. So that's really good to have in your household. And there we go. We're running it now. And we're going to fill this little dehumidifier up to the top. So you can put in your coffee, your K-cups, you know. Pretty much anything that you're going to use to drink. And it's really good, really clean, and safe. So you never know. But this one is definitely a good one. Look at that. All the way up to the top. Quick time. Didn't take that too long. Now we got a plant vase we're going to fill. You know, you can use it for your plants. Pretty much everything, guys. Dogs' water. Cats' water bowls. Any other animals that you could give water to. This is good. And like I said, super fast, easy to fill up. And excellent choice right here, though. There we go. A little coffee machine, espresso, you name it, yo. This is a good one. So here we go. A few more seconds. It's gonna fill to the rim, and now we're gonna put it right here. To espresso, I believe. There we go. I'm gonna have a nice fresh cup of espresso in the morning or in the evening. And there's Phil. Look at that. And of course, a nice cup of water on a hot summer day. And there we go. Look at that, clean. And if you switch it to the other one, you'll see a little bubbly. Watch this. Boom. The other side. Got the little bubbly action going on. There you go. But yeah, this is definitely a good one to get. And you guys will not be disappointed. But like I said, I like the LED feature on this. It's really cool. And definitely order one now. They're on sale. All you gotta do is click my link in the description and check it out. And here we go. We're gonna do this one more time. In a few seconds. We'll just have a good night and Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays to everybody. But yeah, definitely check these guys out. Ecoviva on Amazon. You guys will not be disappointed. Everything came perfectly set up, and we had no issues running it. and everything is smooth. See, there you go. Nice and easy. And then the other side, and then that's it. So here you go, YouTubers. You guys have a good night.